In this video, we are still continuing the different types of application software. Now we have the presentation software. It is used to prepare a talk for an audience. An example is Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's take an example in order to understand this better. So for example, if the teacher is trying to explain a certain chapter to the students, the teacher will create a PowerPoint with many slides in order to explain the chapter. And also, the teacher will use a projector in order to display the entire presentation to the class. And here is the image so you can understand it better. As you can see, we have the projector, which will display the image on the laptop in a much bigger view. And as you can see, we have the laptop as well. And the teacher is pointing to the place where the projector is displaying the slides. And for this entire process to happen, we use a software known as the PowerPoint. Let's move to the next application software, which is image and sound editing software. This software helps you edit sound, images, video, and music. For the graphics, we use Paint and Photoshop so we can edit the images according to our liking. If we want to edit a video or make a video, we use the Microsoft Movie Maker. And finally, to edit the audio, we use Audacity and Goldware. We can edit the audio, we can merge two audios, or we can cut out certain parts. Let's move to another application software, which is the web authoring software. This software is used to create a website, which is a collection of web pages accessible through the internet. Web pages are written using hypertext markup language, the HTML. An example is the Adobe Dreamweaver. And now let's talk about the project management software. As you know, projects include tasks with deadlines. Some tasks are simultaneous while others are sequential. The project management software helps us keep track of all of these tasks and their timeline. So it is used to track and chart the timelines of the individual tasks that must be accomplished to complete a project. An example is Microsoft Project Management. Let's look at this picture together to understand better. This is the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart helps us see all the tasks and their deadlines. So when did the task start and when will it end? It also helps us know which tasks are sequential and which happen at the same time. For example, look at phase 2. It all starts in week 7 and it ends in week 12. And now let's move to the next application software. It is the educational software. These softwares usually educate you on something. For example, if they are educating us how to type, it helps us know how fast we were and how many mistakes we were doing. So the software teaches you some skills, for example, software that teaches you how to type. And it may also teach you some English, mathematics, and revise for your examination. In conclusion, in this video, we saw different types of application softwares.